Welcome to all of you, my online classes, DARBHANGA live classes. Today I'm again with a new question of Standard 10, Exercise 3.5. This question belongs to two variable equations and it's a very important question of Exercise 3.5. So let's go to a start without wasting a second. Question is saying that for which value a and b, it's a and b, does the following pair linear equation, okay, have an indefinite, what happened, infinite, it's they were given infinite number of solution, okay, infinite number of solution is given. So first of all, before you are going to read anything else, before you need to know that is a two variable equation is going to be in the form of ax plus by plus c. That will be in the form of that. So when two equation is going to be right there, suppose that will be a1x and that will be b1y and this will be c1. Another one, if I am going to write there a2x plus b2y and plus c2 is equal to 0. In this case, what happened? The first one is there, if a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2, then it will have only one solution. If condition is going to be formed in this case, then you can say it will have only one condition. Another way you can you are knowing maybe when if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, okay, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but is not is equal to c1 by c2, what will happen? It will have no solution. I mean, there is no solution in this case is going to be. And third one is there, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, it will have a parallel solution, you can say, and it will have what happened? It will have infinite, okay, number of solution. Just only these things you have to keep in your mind, that these are the only condition by which you will come to know each and everything, okay. So you might have understood these things, what I mean to say, and whatever I have dictated you means which case you can come to know when two equation I'm going to be formed. This is one equation, other one, this equation is there. In this case, what happened, if it is going to be lies in this form that a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2, then it will have only one solution. But other hand, you can say if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is there, but if it is not equal to c1 by c2, it will not have any solution. In the third case is there a1 by a2 and there is equal to b1 by b2 and that is also equal to c1 by c2, then it will have indefinite number of solution, right? So in this case, only in this chapter also, or in this question also, we are going to find out the same thing, right? So may I erase it? Okay. So here is given that we have to keep in our mind the question which is going to be given. So here is also in this question, you can see two equation is given. In the first equation, that is the first equation, you can see this is given the first equation and then this one is given the second equation. So from first equation, what you can take here now, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So if I'll take it here, a1 is equal to 2, right? You can say that b1, what will be there? b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to, here is given 7. You can get it there now. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 7 is given. Now we will take the second, from the second solution we will take here now. From the second solution, what is given? The solution is given a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So in this case, what you can take now? A2 will be what? A2 will be the coefficient of x, that will be a minus b. Now B2 will be what? That is coefficient of y, that will be a plus b. And C2 will be what? C2 is equal to whatever is going to be like 3a plus b minus 2. Now two equation will have the infinite many solution if it will be what in the case of, right? So you can write there, so since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 has many solution, or you can say infinite number of solution. Okay, what happened? It has infinite solution. So we need to find out, that is because of it's given that this solution have infinite number of solution. So we will put this value whatever is given here, and then we will find out here all those things. So let's go to do that. First of all, what's given? A1 value is given 2, okay, and A2 value is given a minus b, which you can see now. Now that will be equal to B1 value is given 3 and B2 value is given a plus b. Got it? Is equal to C1 value is given 7 and C2 value is given 3a plus b minus 2. You might have understood these two also now. Now what we will do now to get the equation? First of all, we will solve from these two. Okay, from these two, the cross multiplication we will do. The 2 is going to multiply into 2 into a plus b, that will be equal to 3 into a minus b. Now from these two we can take out any equation. Then to find out the equation we can write now 2a minus 2b is equal to 3a. 2a and here is minus, now it's plus is there. The 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Now with this we are supposed to find out an equation, and that equation will be, what will be the equation? And that equation we can find out here. That will be, if suppose that all will come other one side only, it will be 3a and 2a, it will come minus 2a will be, if there is given 3b and if 2b will come this side will be minus 2b is equal to 0, right? So equation we can find out now here. So what is the equation is given? 3a minus 2, it will be a, right? And minus 3b and minus 2b, it will be minus 5b is equal to 0. This is equation 1 we have got there. Okay, clear is there? Yes. Okay, let's go to solve the next. Now from now these two we have taken out one formula. Now we can find out the formulas, I mean equation 2 from there. So it can be written in the sense of like a 3 into a plus b into is equal to, that will be 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now the same we will do here. It's 7 here, and by the cross multiplication we can find out the solution, I mean their equation. So by 3 you will multiply all these. So we can get 3 into 3a plus b minus 2, and that will be equal to 7 into a plus b. We got this one. Now with this you are supposed to find out a formula, how it will be there. We can see that 3 3 is a 9a, and by 3 it will be 3b, and by 3 you will multiply 2, that will be minus 3 2 is 6, that will be equal to 7 into 8 will be 7a, and 7 into b will be plus 7b. Now when all these will come at one side, then we can easily find the full solution, I mean equation. So 9a and 7a. So you suppose that 9a will remain this side, 7 will come this side, will be minus 7a. Okay. Now this is 6. So here will be, now if suppose that 3b will is there, and when 7b will come left side will be minus 7b, and when 6 will come the outside will be, right side will be 6. No problem at all. So let's go to, so now with this we can find out one solution here. One more equation we can find out. This 9a minus 7, it will be 2a. Okay, and 3b in plus, and that will be the 7b in minus. So plus minus minus, from 7b 3b will be it's going to be subtract, will be minus 4b, and that is equal to 6. So we can take 2 as a common here, that will be a minus 2b is equal to 6. So a minus 2b is equal to 6 by 2. So a minus 2b is equal to 3, and this is equation 2. So we have got now two equation already here. Let's go to solve now these two equation. So now I have written these two equation here. Now we will solve from this two equation. So simple, equation 1 we have got here a minus 5b is equal to 0, and equation 2 we have got a minus 2b is equal to 3. So what you will do now in these two equation, you will subtract these two equation to each other. Okay, subtract it. If you will subtract, then there what happened, their sign is going to be changed. The a is in plus, it will be in minus, and the 2b is in minus, it will be in plus, and this will be in minus. So plus minus will cancel. Now by from what happened, minus 5b and this is 2b, then minus plus minus from 5b 2b will subtract will be minus 3b is equal to minus 3, and so b is equal to minus 3 by 3 minus 3, and there will be, it will be cancelled, so it will be 1. So value of b we have got here now, no problem. Now put this value, what happened, put the value of b in equation 1. Okay, put this value of b in equation 1 and you can find easily there, no problem at all. So here you can see now what value is going to be, what value will be there. So in equation 1 you can see now what is the equation is given, a minus 5b is equal to 0. Now put this value b here, so it will be a minus 5 into b value we have got here 1. The 1 is equal to 0, so a minus 5 1 ja 5 will be 0. So what happened, a is equal to what will come, so here will come a is equal to 5 will come right, so it will be 5. So the solution we got here now, so we can say the solution, I mean the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 5, and this is our answer which we have to find here. Now I hope you might have understood this one very well. If you have any problem, you must comment me and share. If you like my video, please share, subscribe, and please do needful.